CSWIP 3.1 Welding Inspector Preparatory Classes TWI Seminar and Examination Registration Guidance by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Opening and Introduction. Good day to everyone. Welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. I am glad to connect with welding professionals, inspectors, engineers and quality assurance personnel who are looking to advance their careers through international certification. In today's video, we will discuss one of the most respected and globally recognized welding inspection certifications, CSWIP 3.1 Welding Inspector, issued under the TWI certification scheme. We will cover what is CSWIP 3.1 is, who should take the certification, the exam structure and expectations, common challenges faced by candidates, and how URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited supports you through preparatory training, TWI seminar guidance, and exam registration. So if you are planning to appear for CSWIP 3.1 or even if you are evaluating whether this certification is right for you, this video will give you complete clarity about URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is a professional organization providing training, inspection support, certification guidance, and technical consultancy across engineering, welding, NDT, quality, and inspection domains. We work closely with welding inspectors, QA/QC engineers, fabrication and construction professionals, oil and gas, power, infrastructure, and manufacturing sectors. Our focus is not just training, but career-oriented competence development, aligned with international standards and certification schemes. What is CSWIP 3.1 certification? CSWIP 3.1 stands for Certification Scheme for Welding and Inspection Personnel, administered by TWI, the Welding Institute, United Kingdom. The CSWIP 3.1 Welding Inspector certification is designed for professionals who are involved in welding inspection, quality control, fabrication supervision, construction and site inspection. It is globally accepted and often mandatory for projects in oil and gas, petrochemical, power plants, structural steel fabrication, offshore and onshore construction. CSWIP 3.1 validates your competence in understanding welding processes, interpreting welding procedures and standards, visual inspection of welds, identifying welding defects, understanding inspection and acceptance criteria. Who should attend CSWIP 3.1 preparatory classes? This certification is ideal for welding inspectors, QA/QC engineers, welding engineers, fabrication supervisors, site engineers, NDT professionals working closely with welding, diploma and degree engineers involved in fabrication and inspection. If you are working in industries where weld quality, compliance, and inspection integrity are critical, CSWIP 3.1 adds international credibility to your profile. Understanding the CSWIP 3.1 exam structure. One of the most important reasons candidates struggle with CSWIP 3.1 is lack of exam familiarity. The CSWIP 3.1 examination typically includes multiple choice theory questions, practical visual inspection assessment, questions based on welding processes, defects, symbols, and standards. The exam is time-bound, technically demanding, and requires strong fundamentals, clear understanding of inspection principles, ability to interpret drawings, weld symbols, and defects quickly. This is where structured preparatory training becomes critical. Common challenges faced by CSWIP 3.1 CSWIP candidates. From our experience, candidates often face challenges such as difficulty understanding TWI exam expectations, confusion over welding symbols and standards, lack of practice with exam style questions, limited guidance on seminar and exam registration, anxiety due to the international exam environment. Self-study alone is often not sufficient for the first-time candidates. URGS CSWIP 3.1 Preparatory Classes. How we support you. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, our CSWIP 3.1 Preparatory Classes are designed to address these exact challenges. Our support includes: first, structured exam-oriented training. We align trainings strictly with the CSWIP 3.1 syllabus and assessment criteria, focusing on welding processes, weld defects and causes, inspection stages, acceptance criteria, practical inspection approach. Second, experienced faculty. Training is delivered by professionals with real-world inspection and certification experience, not just theoretical knowledge. Third, mock assessments and exam strategy. We help candidates understand how to approach MCQs, time management during exams, common mistakes to avoid. Fourth, TWI seminar guidance. We provide complete guidance on TWI seminar requirements, documentation and eligibility, understanding seminar objectives. Fifth, CSWIP exam registration support. Many candidates struggle with registration formalities. URGS provides step-by-step guidance for application submission, document preparation, exam coordination. Our objective is to ensure candidates focus on learning and confidence, not administrative confusion. Why choose URGS? Choosing the right preparatory partner makes a significant difference. With URGS, you get professional, transparent guidance, industry-aligned training approach, practical understanding, not rote learning, ethical support, no false promises, a long-term learning partner, not just a training provider. Now, closing and call to action. If you are planning to appear for CSWIP 3.1 Welding Inspector Certification, now is the right time to prepare with clarity, structure, and confidence. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is committed to supporting professionals in achieving international recognition and career growth. For CSWIP 3.1 preparatory classes, TWI seminar and exam registration guidance, email info@urgseng.com, mobile +91 7359458455. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more professional insights on welding, inspection, certification and quality systems. We look forward to supporting your professional journey. Thank you.